WordPress powers over 40% of all websites, and once it's installed, the very first thing every real site owner does is walk through these exact setup screens. The real settings greater than general screen, site title, tagline, and timezone, the very first thing a real site owner configures after install. The real permalinks screen, choosing how every post and page's URL is structured, covered in full depth in a later topic. The real dashboard home screen confirms the install is genuinely live and ready, with real, live widgets pulling from this exact site's database. The real, live front end, the new site title and tagline are already visible here, the direct real result of the settings just changed. The real admin account created during install. Every fresh WordPress install includes exactly one real administrator account from minute 1. A fresh install already ships with one real sample post, Hello World. Genuine, editable content, not an empty database. Here's the real payoff. Every one of these screens is a genuine live page on this real WordPress site, not a mock-up. Site identity, permalinks, and a real homepage, the genuine first-run setup, entirely through the UI. Try it yourself. Open your own site's settings greater than general and set a real site title and tagline.